All right, so we are going to check out Dong Bei Dumplings in Binondo. Binondo is about a, what would you say, 15, 20-minute walk from where we live. A lot of people have been here. Everybody says it's good. I like dumplings, so we're gonna check it out. Second time to Binondo. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm assuming we can order in there, right?
Yeah.
What sounds good? Shrimp with pork and kuchay. Kuchay.
It's like to open.
Oh.
Thank you, ma. Ate, yung pork niya na kuchay. Kuchay ba kuchay? Kuchay? Frozen. Frozen? O may luto kayo? Oh, they are out of that. Shrimp with pork.
Oh, okay.
Ano lang available niya, te? Luto? Oo. Kuchay with pork, yung best seller po namin. Pero ma'am, walang dito din. Kuchay with pork.
All right, so I'm sitting outside of Dong Bei Dumplings, and they are closed to dining inside, or I should say they're open for takeout only. And they're also out of the shrimp dumplings that I wanted to try. But we got the kuchay, is that what it is? Kuchay dumplings with pork. So we're gonna eat those on the street or something, I guess. I don't know. Hopefully they'll give us a fork or some chopsticks. We're trying to see what else is around here to eat. So yeah, that's about it. All right, we're gonna try these dumplings. Can we get a close up of that? Ooh, they're hot. They look good. Get on the light here, maybe. All right. Put the sauce. Spill it all over. Did I just dump it all over them?
Yeah.
All right, fuck it. Here we go. Drown these dumplings in the. Oh, that sauce is good. All right. We're making do because we're on the street. I just spilled sauce all over myself. But we are determined to eat. Oh shit. Camera on. We are determined to eat these dumplings. Oh no. Alright, here we go. Oh, they're so good.
It is?
Yeah, they're really good. They're super hot. A little messy. It'd be nice if I could get the wrapper with the filling at the same time. Well, that's what happens for eating on the streets of Binondo. Yeah, this place lives up to the hype. These are really good. So these are the pork kuchay. Kuchay, is that what it is?
Kuchay.
Kuchay. Yeah, they're good. They're all like light and shit. I like them. All right, I'm gonna eat one more. Pass the rest to my wife, who's working the camera right now. All right, one more. Ooh, those are hot. All right, your turn.
I don't know if that one looks good.
I don't care. They have drinks here as well. You just drink right from the leaky air conditioner water.
Oh.
I'm just kidding. Pretty good, right? And an order comes with 14. It's like a perfect snack for 2 people. I'm going to try to find somewhere else around here to eat that has dine in instead of just to go. But yeah. I'll edit that part out. Dong Bei Dumplings lived up to the hype. 8.5 out of 10, I think. I don't know. They're really good. They're really good dumplings. Yeah, stay tuned. We'll see what else we can get into down the street here. I'll show you where we are.